Hello students, today we are going to learn about the family. So students, father, mother and children together makes a family, and every person in the family is known as a family member. And our mother and father are called our parents. So now we will study about types of family. Number 1, a small family. A small family has mother, father, and one or two children, and it is also known as nuclear family. Next, large family. A large family has mother, father, and more than two children. Next, a single parent family. A single parent family has either mother or father and children. Next, a joint family. A joint family has grandparents, father, mother, uncles, aunts, and our cousins. Do you know who are uncle and aunts? Now let's study who are our uncles and aunts. Brothers of your mother or father are called your uncles, and sisters of your mother or father are called your aunts. Children of your uncles and aunts are called your cousins. Members of a family who also have a common name or a family name. So every member of a family has one common name, and it is also known as surname. So some common surnames are Singh, Sharma, Gupta and Khan. These are our very common surnames. Now we will study about role of family members. Members of a family live together. They love and help each other in times of need and at difficult times. Every member of our family plays an important role in our life. Parents take care of our home, food, clothes, and education of their children. They teach them good manners and help them to become good citizens. Our father earns money. He helps us in studies and also helps our mothers in the household works or chores, you can say. Mother looks after the household. She cooks food for the family. She helps children in studies, and some mothers also work. Mother looks after the household and cooks food for the family. Children also help the parents in the house. They study and obey their elders. Children also help the parents in the house. They study. You can all make your parents happy if you obey them, respect them, love them, help them, and do well in our studies. And we can make our family happily together forever. Thank you.